Think cucumbers are just water? Think again. They're packed with nutrients, and I've got a quick recipe you'll want to make. Cucumbers are not only hydrating, but they are loaded with vitamin K, vitamin C, and potassium. Most of the fiber in the cucumber's skin, so keep it on instead of peeling it. Cucumbers are easy to wash and take as a snack on the go. But here's an easy side dish to make. Cut your cucumbers into thin slices and add enough Greek yogurt to cover them. Then add a bit of lemon juice, garlic, dill, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix it all up and enjoy as an easy and delicious snack. For more information on healthy eating and recipes, go to extension.scstate.edu.